Have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, they just seem to have it all together? I mean, from their polished look to the effortless way they just carry themselves. You just look at them and think there's just something undeniably elegant about them. Well, here's the secret. It's all about the little things. And by the end of this video, you'll feel inspired. You're also gonna feel empowered, knowing exactly how to incorporate these micro grooming habits that will absolutely transform your appearance and leave you looking even more flawless every single day. Now, these habits are incredibly simple and easy to weave into your routine, so definitely no drastic changes needed. And that's what I love about them. They're essentially subtle touches that make all of the difference. So if you're ready for that kind of beauty level up, then please keep watching. Welcome to the Chic Evolution, your ultimate destination for fashion, beauty, and empowerment. I am a former top model and multiple beauty pageant winner. I've had the privilege of walking the runways from America to Europe. I've graced magazine covers, and my passion for helping others has empowered me to uplift those around me. So join me as I share insider tips on style, confidence, and living your best chic life. Because at the Chic Evolution, confidence is always in season. Welcome back to our little corner of the internet where we explore all things empowerment, all things femininity, and of course, all things fashion. Now, if you are new here, first of all, welcome to the Chic Evolution and welcome to you as our official Chic Babe. Woo! Before we get started, you must know that over here, we like to start the video by lighting up a good candle. And I always invite you to light up a candle if you have one at home. And towards the end of the video, we turn it off and I leave you with a kind and uplifting affirmation. We do this just for the good vibes, just to set the tone and set the mood. So yeah, there you go. Here is our little candle for the day. I'm gonna put it aside because we got things to do. And we're gonna start by talking about glow, girl, because if you've ever woken up with puffy eyes or even dull skin, ice rolling might just be your best friend, because this simple tool kept in the freezer can really work wonders for circulation and for depuffing. And dermatologist Whitney Bao explains that ice rolling constricts blood vessels, reducing redness and also reducing puffiness while giving your skin an instant glow. So by using this technique every morning, you'll not only feel more refreshed, but also notice a brighter and more radiant complexion over time. And if you really want to elevate this practice, you want to take this up a notch, I would say to pair your ice rolling with a hydrating serum. So apply the serum before rolling and allow the cold to really seal in the product and boost its effectiveness, you know? And ice rolling is also fantastic for calming inflammation after a breakout, for example, or even soothing your skin post-sun exposure. It's really a little indulgence that feels like a mini spa treatment. So think of this as a moment of self-care that gives you that effortless glow. So now that your skin is radiant, let's focus on a feature that often goes unnoticed. And we are talking about your lashes, girl, because yes, long natural lashes exude femininity, but it's not about piling on a bunch of mascara, because lash care starts with conditioning. So products like castor oil, lash serums can really help strengthen and lengthen your natural lashes over time. And ophthalmologist Dr. Rupa Wong shares that conditioned lashes are less prone to breakage, making them look fuller and also healthier. So you can try incorporating a lash serum into your nightly routine, because this is going to be an effortless game changer, because it literally works while you're sleeping, keeping your lashes nourished and healthy. And for a quick elegance boost, consider Lash Lift, because this treatment curls your lashes semi-permanently, creating an opened eye and awake look without really needing a curler. And if you want, you can even pair this with lash tinting. You can skip mascara entirely if you do this and still look effortlessly polished. However, if professional treatments aren't really your thing, I would advise you to invest in a heated lash curler, because this is going to be gentler on your lashes and it's also going to offer a longer lasting curl. And you know, healthy, well-maintained lashes can really elevate your overall look in a subtle yet impactful way. So now, with your lashes looking stunning, let's tackle a habit that really enhances your overall allure. Yes, because especially during the winter, chapped lips are the enemy of elegance. So instead of just like applying a lip balm this winter, start with a gentle exfoliation using a sugar scrub or even a soft toothbrush. And Dr. Shireen Idris explains that exfoliation removes dead skin, making lips smoother and even more receptive to hydration. So this really ensures that any lip product that you apply afterward glides on beautifully and lasts longer throughout the day. And you can even follow your exfoliation with a nourishing lip mask, but overnight for the best results. And during the day, try to switch to a tinted balm or even lip oils for a subtle sheen that enhances your natural lip color. And really, these lightweight formulas keep your lips hydrated and fresh without the heaviness of lipstick. And a tinted balm not only adds a pop of color, but also doubles as a moisturizer for your lips, making it a versatile go-to, especially during the winter. I find that they're perfect for touch-ups on the go. So now that your lips are soft, let's move on to a habit that's all about how you carry yourself. Your walk. Because your walk speaks volumes about your confidence and about your elegance. I mean, just watch this.
What you gonna do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really about this. Don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips. Don't talk about it.
You see what I mean? So instead of rushing, focus on walking, but walking with intention. So just imagine an invisible string pulling you upward from the top of your head. And fashion expert Miss J. Alexander says that a confident stride can really transform your presence in any room. And honestly, I couldn't agree more. Because practicing your walk isn't just for the runway, it's for everyday life. So, to refine your walk, start by practicing heel-to-toe movements in front of your mirror at home. And keep your shoulders back and your arms relaxed but at your sides, And adding a slight sway to your hip creates a graceful rhythm that's both natural and elegant. And if you want an extra boost, consider low heels or even kitten heels that enhances your posture and stride without obviously sacrificing comfort. It's really the kind of detail that leaves a lasting impression, ensuring that you exude poise with every step you take. Now, speaking of lasting impressions, here's a scent hack that you might not have heard of before. So instead of spritzing your perfume on your neck and on your wrist, expand your fragrance routine to include your hair and behind your knees. And perfumer Francis Cardigan advises that layering fragrance on pulse points and areas that move helps your scent linger throughout the day. And this really creates an aura that envelops you as you move, making your presence obviously unforgettable. And if you want an extra touch of luxury, this winter, spray your scarves as well with your signature scent, because these fabrics hold fragrance exceptionally well and release it subtly as you move. And also, if you want another tip on this, choose a hair mist version of your perfume to prevent alcohol from drying onto your hair, And with this layering approach, your fragrance becomes a part of your identity, leaving a lasting impression without overwhelming those around you. And now that your scent game is even more elevated, let's refine another area that speaks volumes. But before we continue, I just want to say that if you've been watching me until now, please do take the time to comment and also take the time to subscribe for more videos like this. And now with that being said, we will continue by talking about movement, specifically your hands. Because for the most part, your hands are always in motion, whether you're speaking, maybe eating some good food, or even greeting someone. Because elegant hand gestures can make you look more refined and even more graceful. And hand model specialist Adele Udo suggests to keep your fingers relaxed and to just avoid abrupt movements to convey poise. And this subtle adjustment can really elevate how others perceive you in social or even professional settings. And if you want to enhance this, keep your nails neatly trimmed. And if you're not really into bold colors, opt for neutral nail colors that complements your skin tone. And for an extra touch, add a hydrating hand cream to your daily routine to ensure soft and smooth hands that always look their best. And the way you use your hands can be as impactful as your outfit if it's all about making an impression without saying a word. Now, let's talk about creating volume without damage. And this one really is one of my favorites. And for me, this is a non-negotiable because if you're still using a cotton pillowcase, girl, It's time for an upgrade because silk pillowcases are a game changer for your hair, but also for your skin. And hair care expert Jen Atkins says that silk reduces friction, preventing hair breakage and also keeping your skin smooth. It's a simple switch that offers long-term benefits for your beauty routine, you know? And when you go to bed, pair this with a loose braid, maybe simple bantu knots, or even a loose bun while you sleep to maintain volume and prevent tangles. And you'll wake up looking effortlessly polished and ready to tackle the day. And silk pillowcases also stay cooler than cotton, you know, adding a luxurious touch to your nighttime routine that leaves you feeling pampered. And now that your mornings are off to a perfect start, let's focus on wardrobe details. And by that, I really mean that not every piece in your wardrobe will fit you perfectly off the rack. However, there are quick tailoring tricks that can literally save the day. For example, double-sided fashion tape, because this can temporarily adjust waistlines. It can also secure traps or even enclose gaps in button-down shirts. And stylist Rachel Zoe says that these small fixes make your outfit look custom tailored in seconds. And another trick is using a belt to cinch in oversized pieces or even just to create shape. Now with these hacks, you'll always look like your clothes were literally made just for you, because taking a moment to ensure your clothes fit perfectly can really transform even a casual look into something elevated and also intentional. And now, speaking of perfectly fitting clothes, let's highlight a habit that adds effortless polish. Mastering the art of tucking your tops. Why? Because this can really elevate your outfit instantly. You know, whether it's a half tuck for casual looks or even a full tuck for polished ensembles, this simple detail makes a huge impact. And designer Tan France shares that a well-executed tuck defines your waist but also pulls your outfit together. So for a more relaxed vibe, try a French tuck. So that means just tucking the front of your shirt while leaving the back of your shirt loose. It's really a subtle but stylish trick that works every single time. And this simple adjustment can transform the silhouette of your outfit, making it look more effortlessly chic. Now, let's accessorize, but accessorize with intention. So my chic babes, instead of piling on accessories, focus on one statement piece, just one statement piece. And jewelry designer Jennifer Fisher advises to swap out bold pieces depending on your outfit to avoid looking too overdone. For example, you can pair a chunky necklace with simple studs. You can even opt for statement earrings with a minimalist bracelet. This balance really ensures your accessories enhance rather than overpower your beautiful look. And with this, you can really even take the time to curate pieces that align with your personal style, because a signature accessory can really become a hallmark of your elegant persona. Now let's finish with 2 habits that truly define elegance. And we're gonna start with your handbag, because your handbag can say a lot about you. So choose one that's structured and timeless. And fashion editor Nina Garcia explains that a well-organized bag reflects a well-organized mind. So keep essentials like maybe a compact mirror, maybe blotting papers if you sometimes deal with oily skin. You can even add a mini perfume within reach. So to stay poised, regularly declutter your bag and rotate its content based on your day's needs. It's really a small effort that goes a long way, ensuring that you're always prepared and always polished. Last but certainly not least, my chic babes, your smile is your most powerful accessory, but it needs to feel authentic. And life coach Mel Robbins suggests practicing your smile in front of the mirror to find one that feels most natural and inviting to you. And pair this with strong eye contact for maximum impact, you know? Because a deliberate smile not only boosts your confidence, but also makes others feel seen and at ease. And honestly, it's the simplest way to radiate elegance and warmth wherever you go. And there you have it, my chic babes, micro grooming habits that will elevate your look and your confidence. Now, these small steps create a ripple effect, transforming how you feel and also how others perceive you. Remember that elegance is really in the details, and with these habits, I promise you, you're unstoppable. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and why not share this video with someone who may find it interesting as well. And please let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite, or which one did you find the most interesting, or maybe you have a micro grooming habit that I didn't include in this video that you would like to share in the comment section as well. And now it's time to turn off the candle. As you know, this is our little tradition, my chic babes, until our next encounter. Let your uniqueness shine, let your self-love continue to grow, and let your confidence inspire. So if you're doing this little tradition with me from home, now it's time to blow out the candle. 3, 2, 1. Ah, look at that. There you go, baby. It's a wrap. It is a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. See you next time.